Hi, I'm TA Bullplay, your trading buddy. So welcome to our latest episode of our Bullplay Daily Review. And for those who are watching my video for the first time, I would like to let you know that in this daily updates video, we will be focusing on chart technical analysis, the TA, because we believe the chart is the best insider. If you know how to read the chart, it will tell you a lot of hidden message. Alright, so if you haven't watched our previous analysis, feel free to click into our channel and watch, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our next stock analysis. Okay, alright, so for today I'm going to share with you three counters. Yeah, three counters from the transportation and logistics sector, so make sure you stay until the end. Alright, so okay, the first chart that I'm going to show you is a chart of Dow Jones index. Yeah, so before we go into the Malaysian market, we take a look at the current market of the US stock market first. Yeah, currently the timing is around 11 morning in the US timing, and you can see that the index of Dow Jones is now actually trying to retest the support. Yeah, so of course we need to wait for the closing. If as long as the index can support above this supported above the support level, then the whole rebound continuation is still valid. All right, so this is for Dow Jones index. Next we look at the chart of Nasdaq. Yeah, it's similar situation right now. It's retesting the support as well. So we look at this chart of S&P 500. Yeah, S&P 500 is slightly stronger than the other two, but then it's now trying to retest the support as well. So I have similar review for three major indices of US market, which is as long as they retest the support and as long as it is supported above the support, then you can see the whole bullish momentum is still there. Yeah, so it still have the potential to actually rebound further and retest the previous high level. All right, so this is my view on the US market currently, and next we move into our KLCI. All right, so you can see our KRCI is still in a weak momentum, yeah, because last 2 days is trying to break out a psychological support and resistance of 1005, then fail on the second day, and today is trying to break out again but fail again and close at the level of 1495. So you can see the two red lines over here. It should be the support and the resistance. So they might need to do a bottoming over here. As long as supported above 1483 level, then I can see it still have the chance to make a rebound. At least before the trend reversal, we can see at least it breaks the psychological resistance of 1005 in near term. All right. So of course, if the index breaks the support of 1483, then we can see it's another hit to our Malaysian market. All right. So yeah. So after we looking at the index today, I'm going to show you three counters from the transportation and logistics sector. Yeah, because for today you can see there's actually a bullish play on the logistics sector. So the first counter that I'm going to show is freight. Alright, freight management is one of the strongest counter in for today in the bullish play of logistics sector. So you can see from the chart, what I see is the share price today is actually breakout of the important resistance. Yeah, that's the first thing. And the second thing is you can see the moving average is already heading upwards and ready to form a golden cross. Yeah. So the next thing you need to monitor is the first, whether the moving average can form a golden cross in order for it to make a successful trend reversal. That's the first point. The second point is the share price has to be supported above the important support right now, which is 87.5 cents. All right, as long as the price gets supported at the price of 87.5 cents for the next few days, then you can see the rebound play, or I mean the trend reversal play, can go up further to test another resistance at the price of 99 cents, or even psychological resistance at 1 ringgit for freight. All right, so This is the first one, and the second one I'm going to show you the chart for Harbor Link, another logistic counter. So when you compare with the freight, Harbor Link is not so strong for today, but then you can see it's trying to rebound and break out from the pressure of the moving average as well. Yeah, previously on the last week, as it touches the previous important support, then it's starting to make a rebound, and today it's trying to make a breakout of the MA, but it fails. It closed below the MA. So we shall monitor that in the next few days whether the share price able to break out and lead to a potential of trend reversal. So compared with Friday, the chart of HarbourLink is slightly weaker, yeah, but then it still have the potential as long as it is supported above this important support line. Okay, all right. So this is for Harbor, and last one is the chart for CJ Century. Okay, CJ Century. There's some differences when you compare with the chart of Fright and also Harbor, because the chart of Fright and Harbor, you can see just now, it has actually experienced a downtrend for at least 1 to 2 months before this trend reversal take place. But then you can see for CJ Century, the drop is actually not much compared with at the another two, and you can see is after drop to the important support of 55 cents, then it will form a small bottom over here and starting to make a rebound today, following riding on the theme of transportation and logistic. All right, so so this support is still valid right now. As long as the price is supported on above 55, then it might have the potential to actually making a bottom over here and trying to make a rebound and challenge the resistance of 62 cents. All right, so but of course normally we will see that the theme play of transportation used to be like not to last for too long. Yeah, so for those, if you are doing a trading, should be no problem. If you are making an entry based on your investment mindset, then you will need to make a more in-depth study. Yeah, so don't simply like because you are not sure whether this theme of transportation can last for how long, right? So yeah, so you need to check with the chart from time to time. Yeah, make sure you don't get trapped. All right, so maybe I can share with you one more counter of logistic related, yeah, which is TN logistic. So yeah, so this is more bearish compared with the others player, but still it's trying to make a rebound over here. Yeah, because previously you can see the drop is quite massive. Yeah, from the price of 96 cents all the way until the price of 72 cents, then only it make a rebound. But then you can see the rebound is with the momentum is limited. Yeah, because it's trying to even break the first MA line, but it fails. Yeah, but it fails. So maybe you can monitor this kind of counter, wait for it to form a higher low. Yeah, wait for it to form a higher low in order to have more confirmation on the rebound. All right, because as now you can see it's still kind of uncertain, right? It's still uncertain whether it can break or not. You're still not sure, so it's definitely not a wise decision for you to make an entry right now. Okay, all right, it's just a simple. Since we're mentioning about the transportation sectors, like, so what is the main factor, main element of transportation sector? Yeah, it's oil and gas, right? It's the price of oil. So the price of oil. So let me show you the chart of crude oil right now. Okay. Yeah. Wow. If you didn't check, you didn't know, right? So basically, you can see from the price of price of crude oil is actually making a rebound as well. Yeah, it's kind of similar with some of our transportation counters. So it's trying to make a rebound over here after hit the bottom over here. So yeah, it's a similar review with a counter just now. Yeah, TN Logistic, because you can see it's trying to make a rebound, and yet it is being blocked by the pressure of the moving average. So in order for the crude oil price to move up further, it will need to break the moving average lines. Alright, if it doesn't break, it stay below, then you can see the momentum is limited, then it might come down to test support again. Alright, and the time if we come down to come down to test the support, then the transportation and logistic counters may follows to make a correction as well. Alright, so for those who are trading in the logistic counters, you need to factor in, you need to monitor the movement of the WTI crude oil as well. Alright, okay, so for this video, I'm sharing with you the so far updates on the three major indices of US market, and we have mentioned about KLCI, and the main focus for today is the transportation and logistics sector with having a good performance on Monday this week. So I hope you learned something from this few chart reading that I showed you just now, and if you have any counters that you want us to do analysis, feel free to comment below to let us know. And lastly, if you like our comment, if you like our content, don't forget to hit the like and share button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our next daily updates video. Okay? Alright. So thank you for watching. I'm TA Bookplay, your trading buddy. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.